Next, to construct a wall 24 meters long, 0.4 meters thick and 6 meters high, bricks of dimensions 25 cm by 16 cm by 10 cm each are used. If the mortar occupies 1/10 of the volume of the wall, find the number of bricks used. See this, the thickness of the wall is given, height of the wall is given, and dimensions of each brick are given. And this mortar, this small line, this occupies 1/10. So if you want number of bricks, first you will have to subtract this mortar volume from the brick volume, right? So that's what we will be doing. So volume of wall is what? 24 by 0.4 by 6, right? Meter cube. Volume of brick is what? 25 centimeter by 16 centimeter by 10 centimeter. Bring it to meters because you want it in one dimensions only. So 0.25 centimeter to meter is divided by 100. 0.25 into 0.16 into 0.1 meter cube. Okay. Now 1/10 of the wall is occupied by mortar. So what remains? This volume minus 1/10. So you will get 9/10, right? See this. Apply brains fast. So 1/10. 1 minus 1 upon 10 is 9 upon 10. So 9 upon 10 of the wall remains. Now this part 9 upon 10 will be occupied by bricks, right? So remaining volume means what? 9 upon 10 into volume of the wall, right? And number of bricks required is what? This volume remaining divided by the volume of the brick, right? So 9 upon 10 into 24 into 0.4 into 0.6 upon 0.25 into 0.16 into 0.1, right? So solve this. Denominator goes in the denominator over here. So 9 upon 10 into 2400 by 25 into 40 by 16 into 60, right? Means what? We are separating, removing the zero points from the denominators and applying zeros above. So solve it. You will get 12960. So 12,960 bricks would be required. A bucket is in form